Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do my second SFX makeup for Halloween. So yeah, let's get into the video. So let's just get started. And I'm going to use baby oil. And after that, I'm just gonna grab my wax from Ben Nye. So I'm just gonna take out a little bit of that scar wax. Anyway guys, madikit kasi yung scar wax, so kailangan natin maglagay talaga ng baby oil. And then I'm gonna place it on my nose. And then make sure lang na smooth siya kapag nilapat natin siya sa nose natin. And hindi ko nga masyadong in-straight guys yung wax para mas magmukhang really yung effect. And then next, we're gonna seal it with liquid latex. And by the way guys, hindi maganda yung amoy ng liquid latex, so tiisin na lang natin yung amoy. And kapag natuyo na yung liquid latex, mawawala na rin naman yung amoy niya. And then, I'm gonna grab something sharp, but not too sharp. And I'm gonna slit right through. So, i-open lang natin yung wax. And then, I'm just gonna grab my blush and i-apply ko lang siya sa gilid ng wounds para kunwari medyo namumula yung sugat. And then, I'm gonna use my contour palette and I'm just gonna put it under my eye para kunwari medyo nangingitim yung under eye natin. And sa gilid ng mata, syempre, yung malapit sa ilong natin. So, para mas mukhang totoo yung effect. And then, I'm gonna use my face paint. And ito yung magiging first layer ng ating blood. And then, I'm gonna take my fake blood. And I'm gonna use disposable lip applicator. Mahirap nang tanggalin guys yung fake blood sa makeup brush. So, ito ang naisip kong gamitin para i-apply yung fake blood. And then, I'm gonna take my staples. And ilalagay ko na siya sa wound. So, tig to 3 pieces na staples yung ginamit ko guys. Kasi kung isang piraso lang, hindi na siya masyadong makikita. So, ayan, hindi ko masyadong pinagpantay-pantay yung nilagay ko para mas magmukha siyang totoo. And using sponge, I'm gonna take my fake blood again and I'm just gonna put it all over my nose. So maglalagay din ako ng extra blood sa gilid ng nose para mas magmukha siyang totoo. And I'm just gonna put some fake blood again sa loob ng wounds para naman kunwari merong tumutulong dugo. So I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll get notified for whenever I have a new video. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye!